How to fix CSGO keeps crashing, freezing, or displays a black screen. 1. Close all the backgrounds tasks. 2. Turn off compatibility mode. Like this. 3. Backup and delete CSGO executable file and, then verify the integrity of the game files in Steam. 4. Disable shader pre-caching. 5. Readjust Steam launch options. Use CL_disableable mod 1 or autoconfig 6. Update the ActX and Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. 7. Uninstall then reinstall CSGO.